Right now, we are going to play a game which is called Touch the Board. And to play this game, I'll give you some instructions. You can see the names of 12 months on the board. In my instruction, I will indicate only 1 month at a time. I will give some instructions about the month and you will have to understand which month I am describing. And following my instruction, my description, I will go to the board and touch this month. Those who will touch first will get the point. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Okay, so let's get started. This month has one of our significant day, one of our historical days. We celebrate the day at the end of the year, and the historical day is called our Victory Day. Right? No? B. Got point one. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. Now. Okay. Now, please pay attention to what I am saying. Listen to what I say. This is the month which has one of our other historical day, and this is called International Mother Language Day. Yes, this group. Okay. Sorry, we are the end of the game. Where B? B. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, quickly, this is the third month of the year. Okay. You are group B, right? In this month, we have our
তুই আগে
national
পল্লবরে দিয়া দেখা
voting day.
আজ
Right. Okay. So group B maybe. Okay. That's the end of this game. Thank you everybody for your active participation.